Want to open up a Zeidler Vario 511 door station for repairs or maintenance? Do it in no time with the Vario 511 assembly key. See for yourself. Insert the key into the keyhole and turn it left as far as it will go. Now fold down the operating level from the front. Remove the function modules by pressing in the locking lugs. Once you have completed the repairs or maintenance, fold the operating level back up until the mounting unit snaps into place. Turn the key right as far as it will go. The Vario 511 door station is now locked again. Done!